Let's face it, the blender and juicer markets are already crowded. When a new product appears on the scene, it better be good if it wants to garner any attention. Elechomes, started in 2016, had a novel idea. The founders wanted to create an all-in-one product that can help you create healthy meals in a flash, so you can spend time at home doing what you want. The $170 blender is the company's flagship product, and it does much more than just blend. Best of all, you know exactly how much time it will take before your smoothie or juice is ready. We took the Elechomes CHS2001 blender for a spin. Read our review below to see how it fared. XA0 are a fantastic invention, but they can't do everything. That's why there are juicers and food processors on the market as well. Yes, you can perform juicing in a standard blender, but it's not easy. You'll still need to drain the liquid through a mesh sieve to eliminate any unwanted extras that are unable to be pulverized. Enter the Elechomes CHS2001 8-in-1 high-speed commercial blender. As the name implies, it promises to do a whole lot more than just blend. While other models on the market, such as the XA0 and the U, can do many of these tasks, they'll leave a larger dent in your wallet. We put the device to the test to see if it really does as advertised in our Elechomes CHS2001 blender review. While the blender is powerful, it's not what we would call sexy. In fact, out of the box it's got a bit of a boxy design. At 12.7 pounds, you'll want to find a permanent home for the blender instead of taking it in and out of a cupboard, which is typically 18 inches above a counter. However, the model is extremely intuitive to use, and that's thanks to the many buttons on the blender's metal base. You'll find 12 of them, which help you quickly decide what action you'd like to perform. The main buttons, from left to right, are vegetable juice, fruit juice, smoothie, nuts, extraction, milkshake, and power. Below those are a few more: pulse, less time, more time, less speed, and more speed. While many of the buttons handle a bevy of functions, you can still customize the blending experience. Above the buttons, you'll see